Hi guys, our recipe today is about how to make a mirror glaze cake. Mirror glaze is a stunning technique to decorate mousse cakes, injury mats, and pastry. It does not have to be hard, we will only need 5 ingredients. If you are new here, hit that subscription button. Let's jump into it. So we will need 300 grams of sugar, 150 milliliters of water, 2 cups or 300 grams of white chocolate chips, 200 grams of unsweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons or 18 grams of gelatin, powder or not, 1 and 1/2 cups or 300 grams of glucose since I use unsweetened milk, but it is facultative. And gel food coloring. Add the sugar, glucose and water to a medium-sized saucepan and heat over medium-low to make a syrup. Stirring occasionally. Heat to 130 C or 266 F. Put the chocolate chips, the gelatin and the condensed milk in a large pan. Then pour the syrup on top of it. Then mix until getting a smooth consistency. While you mix, add the food coloring until you reach the color that you want. Leave it to cool to 35 C or 95 F. The first thing you need to make a proper mirror glaze is a very smooth surface to pour the glaze on. If the surface is very uneven, it cannot spread out properly and become reflective. I have already done a recipe about how to do an easy cake. Check the link in the description below. Once the glaze has cooled to 37 C or 90 F, pour it over the cake. On a tray to catch the drips. Leave the glaze to set for 15 minutes before using a spatula to remove the drips. Transfer the cake to the fridge and set for a few hours before serving. Let me know in the comment below if you have any question or if there is a recipe that you want me to share. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like a mirror glazed cake and tell me what's your favorite mirror glazed cake. See you next week for a new video.